Hi, I'm Kay. Welcome to my channel, Kaylee Creations. I have another loaded banner to share with you. This one is made using Echo Park's Dive into Summer collection, and it's just absolutely too cute. It's got a little bit of beach, a little bit of vacation, a little bit of poolside with these fabulous poolside ladies. And so I'm just really excited about this. I'm going to be teaching this project at the Paper Bunny in Las Vegas. So I hope you get a chance to visit the store and say hi to Cindy. She is the store owner. And say hi to Lily. She's Cindy's cute little Yorkie that comes to visit the store sometimes. And the people there are great and the projects are great. So I really hope you get a chance to visit. Now this class will be taught in August of 2020. So if you're interested in purchasing a kit, make sure you let Cindy know as soon as possible. So these are loaded banners, and what I mean by that is in between each banner piece is a box that you can open up and load or fill with all kinds of goodies. And so this makes a great gift because not only does the recipient receive the goodies in the box, but they get a cute decorative piece to hang on the wall. So it's a great 2-for-1 gift. I do have a tutorial, so I will put a link to that in the description box below. And the tutorial will teach you how to put the box together, how to make the banner pieces, and how to put those together. So the Paper Bunny kits, however, will come with pre-made banner pieces. So I'll give you a closer look. So the kit will come with all the trims and everything that you see here. You'll get a full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. And so those include these cute poolside ladies. And then each banner has a doily in the background, and then these strips here, which are made with chipboard, sticker sheet, sticker piece, and then these pom-pom trim. And then this banner here, one more time, scroll in, has this cute popsicle on it. So I will show you how to make a popsicle. And then this banner here has a cute punched flower that will come with the kit, ready to assemble. And then you got this pretty bow here that will come in the kit. And the brads may vary from kit to kit, but they're all part of the Dive into Summer brads. They all coordinate perfectly well. And then this banner here has these cute flip-flops that are cut out and ready to assemble. And then here we have another one of those popped up stickers here on this banner edge. I love the pool ladies, just so cute. So anyway, that is my Echo Park Dive into Summer loaded banner for the Paper Bunny in Las Vegas. So I hope you get a chance to check out the store and make sure that you let Cindy know if you're interested in purchasing a kit. And if you would like, I would love to hear your comments or to see your comments below on what you would put in your banners or who you would give them to if you're giving them away. So let me know if you would also like to see more projects like this. So if you would like to join me for my next video, make sure you hit the little notification bell below, and I will catch you next time. Thanks for watching.